The plotting tank displayed within the VERT software is a fully animated and interactive graphic. If I zoom in, you'll be able to see the chamber within the plotting tank. You can also see the spirit level on the outside where we can check the position and orientation. To take a measurement with the plotting tank, we must move to the interactive internet browser. If we select Physics on the VERT homepage, for each QA and dosimetry module, there will be a different interactive graphic. For the plotting tank, we can change the positioning of the tank, so if I change the tank pitch, you can see on the left-hand side of the screen the tank position. I'm going to reset so it's a perfect measurement. If we then move to the Measurement tab, we have the ability to change the beam energy from 6 MV, 15 MV and the 2 cobalt energies. We can change the field size values. We can also change from a depth profile to a cross line and an in line, each having their own ability to take different measurements. I'm going to start by doing a depth profile with a 6 MV beam. When you select Measure, you'll be able to see the ion chamber on the left in the VERT window moving up and down throughout the tank. On the right hand side, a graph has now appeared with the depth dose. I can select any point within the graph to check the dose at a certain depth. If I do the same for a 15 MV beam, a new line on the graph has appeared, the green representing 15 MV and the orange representing 6 MV. This can be used to demonstrate the difference between the 6 and the 15 MV beams in relation to depth and the percentage depth dose. The plotting tank module can be used to describe to trainees the importance of accurate equipment setup and machine calibration. I've only displayed one aspect of the plotting tank to give an example of the features it has.